G'day y'all, Mr. Shea Poulet with Shea Poulet Homestead. We are out in the chicken coop. Nice afternoon. It is plus 4 degrees Celsius here. So I believe that's like 39 or 40 degrees Fahrenheit, if I'm not mistaken, for all you Fahrenheit folks. So we're just hanging out. Just wanted to see what was going on out here. I brought the girls some water and probably top up the boys too. Now we're just gonna scoop by the hens. You can see just one day and the bedding is soaked already. Because the bedding underneath is wet also, so putting dry